Tangmar sapriang hagis rinsan social media halo jingdon jongo weg Shithi Dawa Pisa na ka weg seng ya ga bertip kum khnyo trap National Liberation Council ni ke Hnlc na ka liang katran Pulit kalaplong ying Tohkit ya ga ni lai thu do Davis marak bulong Deputy Inspector General of Police jongo sarkar jilla kat kum Davis marak lai thu bu tei bosoi Kyrteng lai ben kundu mar Pulit ba lakan tai ya ka Shithi kum balosoi Andrei Davis marak lai thu Manakaliang Tnat Pulit kanam song thai but kanang wat panpulong ying Tohkit.
It is true that recently one demand note has surfaced and it is circulating and it was even reported in the media. The person purportedly whose name came out, he has denied his involvement. In fact, he has come to police headquarters yesterday also and he has denied. So we are further inquiring into it as to the veracity, whether it is actually, whether it is true, as to whether his involvement is there or not, or somebody else may have used his name for serving these demand notes. So we are inquiring into that. We cannot rule out at this stage because, as we say, we are inquiring into this matter, and only once we inquire and investigate into this matter fully, then we will be able to find out. Like I said before, the person whose name appeared, apparently he has denied that it is not him, and in fact he reported yesterday to police headquarters also. Now whether these are genuine Hnlc demand notes or somebody is taking advantage using the name of Hnlc for the serving demand notes, that we will uncover when we investigate further into this case. Number one, any donation to an unlawful association. Hnlc is an unlawful association. So they will be liable. Any form of donation, help, contribution, they will be liable. So anyone donating, contributing, and if we get to know and we have proof that they are donating, we will take action as per law. Even as of now, Hnlc is an unlawful association. Yes, we have had reports of such demand notes being served. Unfortunately, nobody has come forward to file an FIR or to report properly to the police. Now, unless these are just rumors which are circulating, because as of now there are no verifiable facts to to substantiate these allegations as of now, because no one has actually. Some businessmen, they have claimed that they may have claimed that they were extorted, they was given these demand notes, but they themselves have not come forward to the police to reveal as to whether they have actually got these demand notes or from whom, etc. They have not come forward. So no action can be done, taken as of now. On a specific case, of course, we are inquiring into this general allegation, but as of now, we have not had any instance of a very specific case being reported to us. Always the modus operandi of all the militant groups, and if you recall, recently you must have noticed that there was a fake GNLA also, and we found out later when they were actually arrested, they were just laborers. So in today's world where everyone has access to smartphones and with just some sort of photoshopping and posting some sort of demand note, so we cannot ascertain unless we, because at the end of the day, we also get to know through our intelligence sources that certain demand notes have been served. Now, but we cannot authenticate whether that is it is a genuine demand note or whether it has been photoshopped and somebody is playing mischief with it. So unless we get a very specific report, then only we will be able to investigate. The problem with photoshopped messages which are being circulated in social media is that it is forwarded hundreds of times. It is difficult to find out the origin of that particular picture or a demand note or anything of that sort. So unless a person who is the first recipient of that particular note, he comes to us, and then only we will be able to verify.